My name is Carrie, and I'm the owner of The Fashion Class. The Fashion Class is a sewing studio that focuses on children, teens, and adults learning how to sew. We do classes, camps, and birthday parties. I had spent many years thinking about franchising and finally decided to just jump into it this year. As a business owner, I'm so busy in the day-to-day running of my business that in order to franchise, I needed some help. So finding a great consulting company to work with was key for me. I've spoken to lots of consulting companies, spoken to people on the phone, gotten a whole bunch of numbers, and met Big Sky Franchising. And I just really love the energy, I love the name, I really liked their clientele, who they've worked with in the past, and I just thought it was a great fit. So I decided to go with Big Sky. The franchise process was surprisingly easy. I thought it would be a ton of extra work for me. I wasn't quite sure how I would fit it in. It ended up just being really simple. Big Sky really broke it down step by step, and I was able to work with professionals who clearly knew what they were doing and would follow up with me and make sure that I was staying on task and fulfilling the requirements, and just really made it super easy, step-by-step process to the finish line. I really appreciated how straightforward everybody is and was. And the final product, I think, is amazing. So I hope to sell a lot of franchises now. I've actually told friends of mine who are interested in franchising, it's like, you gotta call these people.